Hi there guys, this is Dan with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be going over the 2024 Cougar 320 RDS. Let's go take a look at this beauty. Alright, so as we kind of look through this unit over here, as you kind of notice the beautiful colors on the outside, we're going to start off with the beautiful Road Armor fifth wheel hitch on front over here. As we come around the side over here, we'll go through pass-through storage. Take a look at how much extra space you're going to have in there. In here is going to be your control center. You're going to have your power auto level system on the side. Over here you're going to have all your water hookups. Beautiful, nice, endless, on-demand water system over here for you. Okay? All right guys, follow me on the inside. We're going to check out the beautiful interior of this. All right, as you walk in, you'll kind of notice and see how big and spacious the interior is of this RV. It's beautifully designed for a great hangout spot for the family, the friends, whenever you're going to get together. You got this huge L-shaped couch over here. Okay, on this side over here, you have a slide out with a dinette on it, so you can actually have friends sitting playing cards, and you can watch TV and everybody hanging out in the same area. All right, over here, we're gonna show you guys how big and beautiful this kitchen is. So if you come over here, you're gonna notice you're gonna get a lot of cupboard space for all the pantry, all the needs that you're gonna ever have. You have a slide out kind of island over here, giant fridge. Once again over here, another huge pantry for you. You guys follow me this way. Let's go check out this bathroom real quick, and we'll go take a look at the bedroom afterwards. All right, so over here we have a nice, beautiful bedroom over here, king size mattress, little phone holders up top with chargers on both sides. You get a nice, huge closet space over here for you. And over here for your washer and dryer hookups. All right, guys, thank you for checking out the Keystone Cougar at Funtown RV. For any other details, just check out funtownrv.com.